Hello, welcome to Lab 9 installing a virtual printer. Today I will show you how to install a printer. Next we use PC2. You go in control panel, device and printer. Add a printer. Then no printer that I wanted, so I will manually add it. I'm going to go setting. Next to print to file. Next, generic, junior tag only. Next, really current driver. Next, we change it to feature printer. Next, do the shader printer. Next, finish. This shape we can see the printer now. Now we're going to test it. Let's create a new text document. Put a printer file. Press the virtual printing test. I print it. Say virtual printer. Print. Print will reprint the desktop. First, print it. File. Save. Now print. We can open it with. There's many ways to open a notepad. We can use notepad to open it. Okay. See, this is our file. This is being print. Okay, next I'm gonna show you how to uninstall it. Save. Go back to control panel. Device and printer. Right click, remove device. Yes. Yep, and that's it. That's how you install a virtual printer and uninstall it. That's it.